Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaura Premanande Hari Bol.
I don't have any questions tonight.
Many questions.
Oh, wait a minute. I had a big question the other night.
They have also answered.
Yeah. No particular question tonight.
Tonight is, last night you have many questions and now is all answer come your mind.
Oh, you mean about Parikrama?
Yes.
Oh,
Ha ha ha.
Well, Jnanakimirandasya Jnananjana Shilakaya Chakshurumanikamdena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurave Gurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishna Bhaktaya Krishna Namaha. So before beginning our question and answer period, we offer our most humble obeisances and devoted feet of our beloved Gurudev, Sri Guru Padapatma Sri Krishna Vishnu Asto Tarasata Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Nashtra Prabhupada and unto Sri Guru Padapatma Sri Krishna Vishnu Asto Tarasata Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Nashtra our exalted Rupa Nuga Guru Varga, Sannyasi God, Bhakti Vaishnavas. So, yesterday we went to many wonderful places in order to honor and enter into some understanding and appreciation of the Leela or pastimes of Sri Nityananda Prabhu. And in that place where Nityananda Prabhu was appeared, took his birth during Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela, there were also many other pastimes in Dwapara Yuga, in the prior Yuga, and we visited many of those places, but due to time constraints, we weren't able to hear all of the story. And so, during Prasadam, for instance, whenever we take Prasadam at the Jagannath Temple, there was a little extra, there wasn't enough room for everybody, so some of us were sitting in a separate place with Premananda Prabhu, and so we were asking some questions, and at that time he was expanding on the Leela. So this is a little note to everybody that next time you go on Parikrama and there's not enough space for everybody to take Prasadam, rather than sitting down right away, if you're very intelligent, you'll watch what Premananda Prabhu is doing. And because he wasn't sitting down and serving, wasn't sitting down, he had the mood of service to all the other devotees, he stepped aside and let everyone else take prasad, and then he himself sat in a special place and continued Harikatha. And those experienced devotees who knew that, they were in that place, and they got to hear wonderful, wonderful things. So, how many of you got to sit with Premananda Prabhu during that time? See? Anyway, so I'm going to recount some questions and then let him expand on those pastimes, because there were a number of places that we visited. For instance, we went back, after we visited the Chaitanya Saraswat Math, we went to a place in the back where there was murtis of the 5 Pandavas and Vedavyas. And during the Dwapara Yuga, the Pandavas had come and stayed there for some time, and there were 2 very interesting pastimes that took place that he talked about. One was the pastime when Durvas Muni visited, on the request of Duryodhana, to try to embarrass and put the Pandavas into a difficult situation. Maybe they would be cursed by Durvas. And then the other pastime was when a big demon was inhabiting this village and causing so much distress, and Kunti engaged her son Bhima to relieve the burden of the town. So those are two pastimes. I'll request the Premanand Prabhu talk about them. That's the first question. Then, adjacent to that Jagannath temple was a very beautiful little tiny temple with Lord Shiva, who was down in the ground, hidden. And Lord Shiva, whoever Mahaprabhu or Nityananda Prabhu or whatever Dham we have, Lord Shiva will appear as the protector of the Dham, one who gives entrance to the devotees and gives qualification, but also he's there to witness the pastimes. Because Vaishnavanam Jata Shambhu, Lord Shiva is the greatest of Vaishnavas. So he always wants to be in that place where Lord Nityananda or Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Krishna and Baladev's pastimes are. So you'll always see Lord Shiva being amongst them in different pastimes. So there were some pastimes that were taking place there. There was a beautiful tree. Wait a minute. Wait! What? I'm an offender. Should give Premananda Prabhu first, always. Anyway, sorry. And so Nityananda Prabhu, he had many childhood pastimes in that village. Extraordinary pastimes, actually. And I would request Sripad Premananda Prabhu to narrate some of them. So sweet, so lovely. He spoke about them in brief, but they're described in Chaitanya Bhagavat very, very nicely. And I guess for now, those are my two questions. Is this the only mic? The pastimes of Lord Nityananda when he was a little boy in that place, and also what was going on where the Pandavas were, because people didn't get to hear them. If I give answer, I'll just tell long stories, so then there'll be no time left for you to talk.
Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanasalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo Namo Vishnupadaya Acharya Singharupini Srimati Bhakti Pragyana Kesava Nitina Vancha Kalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhubhaiva cha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo 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 Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Namaha Vande Nanda Brajestrinam Padarnamabhikshnasa Jasang Hari Kathodgitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam Mahabhava Swarupatang Krishna Priya Varyasi Bhakti Pradadevi Radhikitang Namamyaham Radhi Vrindavanadhisi करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निजपदाब्ज दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयताम्। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First, I am offering my Shastang Dandot Pranam, beloved Gurupada women, Upanya Goli Guru Varga, and all our sannyasis, brahmacharis and Vaishnavis and Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, Dhamvasis, all are offering my pranam, Dandot Pranam. Nityananda Prabhu.
Oh, I have two more questions. If you have time, a little bit about Narahari Thakur and Raghunandan Prabhu's at that one place, and also Srinivasacharya and Ramachandra and Narottam Das Thakur at that other beautiful.
Lord Nityananda Prabhu appears in this world. Jagannath, no, Harai Pandit and Padmavati Devi is near. But he came, and after this world, all people, they are attached within their own family and own relatives, and all attachment too much with their own body. So Nityananda Prabhu looking, oh, this is Jalananda. How can they are realizing this is not good for us? Chidananda, Chinmayananda and Brahmananda. One Jalananda, mundane, recreation and happiness. This is temporary, also not is clean. After Brahmananda, this is also not is enough for Jiva. Sometime for, not permanent. After is Chidananda, yeah, this Chinmayananda. Eternal world with its relation. This is Chidananda. So this Ananda, how can Jiva this collecting? Therefore, Nityananda Prabhu appears after he starting his Leela. Childhood too, telling, don't learn this geography, history, economics, civics, and this no other science, biology, ontology, morphology, yeah, zoology, no need. Economics, civics, no need. No need this account, yeah, mathematics, algebra, geometry. He is not telling anything, and not he is anybody's giving the inspiration. First time he get birth, daddy to Guru Nityananda, his jivas, all jivas, any conditioned soul, is near came. He is first starting there, eternal Leela in Chaitanya Bhagavatam, Vrindavan Das Thakur writing. What eternal Leela? All Ramchandra's, all Leela. Marjada Purushottam Ram. How learning etiquette? How is Bharat has love for Ram? And Lakshman is how is serving Ram? And Sita Devi with what is relation for Ram? And near and dearest, all Hanuman and all Ram Leela, then he is starting. Only for etiquette, learning for. After Krishna Leela, this eternal world with his relationship for very easy, this God glory and God pastime. Then Nityananda Prabhu, everything there is manifesting. Nityananda Prabhu himself is showing us in this world, this many person get birth. Also next they coming. Now, past time, mundane people, many scriptures they have, biography, many things. But this is connected with this God. Yeah, that is helpful for us. All pure soul with this relationship for. But no. Therefore, Nityananda Nitya Ananda, eternal happiness, how can giving it Jiva? How can Jiva is getting this relationship? Therefore, his all program. His all cultures and everything. Starting first day to and also what is start? Nice kirtan and program. After all devotees, all villagers following Nityananda Prabhu, small baby, kids not only, they are surprised. Who teaching this Leela? God, eternal Leela. And that place is Nityananda Prabhu. What is starting? All Sakhas and all boys with his, he is going. Where going? Sometime this Kaliyorod, lake of Kaliyas. And starting Goshtha Leela. Before this Ekchakra, Nityananda Dham, dry and resort place. Nityananda appears, that time nothing. After his appears, there is Jamuna Devi came. And after all places green, and there is raining, water, everything is present. And Nityananda Prabhu, this pastimes, these Pandavas, all Leela, he is explaining. And this Satyayuga, Shiv Thakur and Daksha Prajapati's, this Leela, he is telling. And he is showing where is the Yak Chakra, Sudarshan Chakra, Abhishek places. And they are going, bathing and doing achaman, offering obeisances. Then Chakra Sudarshan will be pleased. Kudarshan for bad things, for not giving inspiration, instruction. He is cutting and everything anarthas and good way going for nice darshan for arranging all program and light. After Nityananda Prabhu, his Kaliya Leela and Goshtha Leela starting. Many cows, not one, two, thousand. And Dadas Gopal, Chosoti Mahanto. There is appears distance, but all are came and meeting with Nityananda Prabhu. These 64 Mahantas and 12 Gopal, Braja Gopal, they are came. And Nityananda Prabhu starting Kirtan, hour to hour, not day and night, not month to month. His Kirtan non-stop. What Kirtan? This Krishna Kirtan, Krishna Leela Kirtan. And Mahaprabhu coming, he know his come is before. After Mahaprabhu coming, therefore Nityananda Prabhu, all holy places in Kali Yuga like contaminate. All lost holy dham on this capacity. Like one cup is coming 100 grams, you giving 200 grams. How? No capacity they are keeping for. So all sinful persons, many mundane persons, offender, they coming holy dham, holy places and making complete dirty. Not dirty only, they are making residence and kicking bhakta, devotees and all pure persons. They are by force acquiring like demons. There is all destroying. Then no holy dham, no holy river, no all Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, that place now in all that strength is finished. Therefore Nityananda Prabhu calling one sannyasi, Jogamaya arranging. Sannyasi came, staying in, visiting, he came and staying in Pandit house, Nityananda Prabhu's father near. And early morning he is telling, I beg your near son. What? You giving your son. I am going Holy Dham everywhere and there you helping. He is helping me. He say, I am coming, I am old. Say no. He is young. How can I am giving you order and you are near to taking help? He is very young, I am taking him. Say no. He said no, I am taking. He is going anywhere, he is cleaning everything, purifying everything, and people will be helpful. But Nityananda's father and all villagers, they are not agree, giving for Nityananda Prabhu. They are telling his all our heart and soul. Not 1 minute for no anybody left him. Why? Long time austerity after Nityananda came all are near and meeting with us. And he is born Tirthaviru Rakchakra Dham. This is very helpful for all jivas. Many cows came, many villagers came, many green, all places helpful. I am not left. All are like within Ram going Vanavas, forest. Same Nityananda Prabhu is all are is walking and left in village, all are telling, all are going Tirthayatra. No more staying here. Then Nityananda Prabhu, little gone distance to village and there is sitting. Sitting and giving many advice and telling, okay, now I am giving one good presentation. My beloved Lord Krishna, I am calling him, he is come and he is staying with you, meeting with you, and he is helping everybody. What is his name? His name Bankim Rai. He is very 3 bands and he is helping. And every day this Leela going, running on. Like I am every day playing, helping, and Bakarai, every day arranging, all things managing, everything is doing. Then he is telling, this is Bankim Rai, Bakarai place. Why this place is his place? Say before the Dwapar Yuga, Draupadi with his Pandavas, that time 60,000 Rishi, Durvasa with his king, these places, meeting with him Pandavas. Oh, why? They come, they be hearing, there is one demon, Kotasur, his house, and he is inside his cave. He is there arranging hot spring, and there is worshipping Shiva, his name Bakreshwar. And nearby, he is making one big one garden. This is called botanical garden, now name. English, British is giving name botanical garden. But before name, Shanti Niketan. This is Kotasur, his son Bakasur, and his son Olar is making his capital. Big capital. You know that Shantiniketan you going, you will be surprised. Olar has no time, therefore not gone. Big area, like 1 kilometer, 1 banyan tree. You not understanding which one root, which one main, which one important, which one branches. You cannot understanding. Like 1 kilometer, this Bakasur and Kotasur places. And he is giving name Shantiniketan. And British time, they are giving name Botanical Garden. All are coming and they are staying. And this place is hot spring. And Bakreshwar Shiva. These worshipping Shiva, very powerful. And what is food? He is every day attracting many young girls, young boy, and like eating carrot and this radish. Yeah, this white potato like in Bengal. Apple like he's eating in front of everybody, not telling then he's killing everybody. Then coming, anybody has young boy, young girls, this is food. Old man not looking. Old man, old lady no. And anybody's house has nice sweet, nice preparation, everything by force is taking and all eating. Then villagers all requesting, please, how will we happy? Tell me us. Then say yes, I am will be happy. How? Every day, one house to one person giving me, and 100 kilo rice, nice cooking, within nice sabji, puri, malpua, all with his cooking, and giving one man every day, one house to. Then people thinking, every day destroying, okay, one house to one giving, one children giving. They agree. That time, Pandavas, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, Pandavas came. That places they staying. One Brahmin house. Brahmin poor, one son, a wife, but good Brahmin. He is giving room. Kunti with his 5 brothers. They are came, they are staying. Now is Kunti Devi looking. This house is early morning too. Many things they cooking. After cook is finished, now is crying. Mother, father, son. Son say, I am going. Mother telling, I am going. Father telling, I am going. Say no. Son telling, no, my dear father and mother, you stay, I am going. Say without you, other has no life. What doing? 3 person going now. There is one eating, 3 person eating. That time Kunti came. Kunti asking, what problem? Say no problem. Say, why you are disturbed? Said not disturbed, but here is one rules. All village too, every day one person and like sweet and giving for feast one demon. The demon is coming his palace too, Shantiniketan too, and he is taking, eating and killing, destroying. Therefore all are making like this program. Okay, this is his with his communication. After Kunti saying, I have 5 sons. I am giving one. Say no, you are my relatives. You are my guardian. Any relatives came, any guest came, not disturbing. This is not rules. Say no, my son is not like. You don't be worried. My son going. And my son is very fat, strong. The demon is eating, will be pleased and happy. And never eating more. He is hungry and thirsty. He is long time eating skinny, thinny, little blood, little flesh and meat. But today eating 500 kilo once a time. And very tasteful my son. His body. His body, not his little. One time eating anybody, never will be hungry and thirsty. And his fire will be finished. They are thinking, Kunti is telling, joking. Say, no, joking. My son, one son is going 4 I have. No problem. Also, what she saying? My son eating for, need him like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, 10 years, 12 years. Why? How much eating? One finger eating, then is needed 1 year. And one hand eating, then is 5 years. Body complete eating, 100 years need. Then no problem. There is thinking, how is Bhim? Then looking, wow, very strong. His hand will be like all our 10 body. And this thigh will be like his big one house. Like now, all are cooking pot. People is surprised. How is this cooking pot? But Bhima cooking more than 10 times, 100 times big pot inside. And one time he's eating all. 1,000 kilo. Yeah. 1 ton. Nothing for him. He is eating lot of big body and big strength. Say no problem. One demon coming, one finger is eating, you will be happy and going. Like Kunti Devi telling, why they are very sad, they are very crying and suffering. Then Bhim say, okay, hey Bhim come. Came 100 kilo, this sweet and malpua, rice and everything, and all sweets he's carrying like his one baby playing with his one ball. And gone, where this place? Nearby. Okay, he's gone, and bas, judo karate wala, exercise man. He's telling, hey, come, and he's eating all. His foods, all eating. After you come, you eating me, one finger. Come, one nails, you one hair. What do you need? How much you have hunger and thirsty? How much you have power? Teasing is very angry. Bhima near came, Bhima taking and catching and throwing like 100 meters far away gone. After he's flying and come, taking hills, taking trees, all throwing like Bhima, taking and throwing him. Catching like football, volleyball, throwing basketball. After his thinking is very strong, after his Maya Swarup, Mayavi, calling his whole family, attracting for. He said, yes, you have Shiva's boon. Shiva give you boon. And botanical garden. And Bokreshwar. You staying. Okay. In hot spring inside I am putting and throwing in you. Complete your life to life for you never coming back. Then nearby Shiva. Then he is throwing inside hot spring. Very boil water. And inside is gone. And he is at a time boiling. And his body melting. All finished. And this garden and everything, all is captured. Oh, Pandavas. And telling, go, your family with this. Where? Nearby this. Kotasur. He said, they are attracting and Bhim, everybody is putting inside his hot spring inside. Therefore, now also going, looking there, all smell is coming, boiling, and his souls all are looking like one shadow, all walls, all demons. People going to and troubles for and darshan for strong persons. Otherwise, the demon, like weak person going, they will be scared. How is this pose and act? Like this, all pictures in hills. After Bhim came back, then all villagers very happy. This news is hearing Duryodhan and Dushasan. They telling, oh, now how can defeating Bhima? Defeat Bhima is killing his Kotasur, Bakasur, all family. Okay? Then, very clever, Duryodhan requesting, oh, Maharaj, Durvasa, you go. Yudhishthira Maharaj inviting in you. And for prasadam, you go there. He is arranging for you nice program, nice prasadam. He inviting. Tell lie and cheating and sending. And when going? Evening time. Not morning. Not morning going. Evening going. Evening time, Durvasa Rishi came. Telling Maharaj Yudhishthira, your program is running well. You are happy. And now, please, I am also came your near your prasadam for. Now, Yudhishthira Maharaj thinking, my program, my feast, I don't know anything. Asking Draupadi, now is Rishi Durvasa came and he needs some prasadam, but with him 60,000 is all disciples. He is inviting everybody over world. Maharaj Yudhishthira has big program and feast. He is surprised. What can I do now? Asking Draupadi. Draupadi telling Prabhu, today cook finish, I am offer bhoga and already eating finish. What can I do now? How can I am serving them? Say okay. Sun is give you one pot. Morning to evening, sun rising. That time you cooking your small pot, but never will be finished. Million people eating, this pot is Akshaya Patra. Not will be finished in complete. Everybody is fulfilling. Very tasteful will be cooked. She say, before I am eat, this is possible. I am eating, then will be finished. Already today you are eat, I am eat, now I have nothing. This pot, son is giving. He is very pleased. Draupadi for his giving. Now Draupadi crying. Otherwise, Durvasa is giving cards and destroying everybody. Therefore, Yudhishthira Maharaj is telling your friend Krishna, you calling him? Say yes, I am calling. Then calling Krishna, Krishna that time, evening time, gone only for sitting, eating for. Ma Lakshmi, Rukmini arranging, Satyabhama arranging, many prasad. Now Draupadi calling, Krishna not taking shoes, no any car, no Godura, but quickly flying and come. Draupadi, what problem? No problem. Today is 60,000 rishi and Durvasa all came. Good luck. I am thinking, how can I serve them without your permission, without you? Therefore I call you. So okay, I am also hungry and thirsty. First you feeding me, then I am serving them. Okay. Then say, why you teasing me? I am very shy. Every day I am eating is last time, night. All are eating, last time eating. After sunset, no Rishi Maharshi eating, no Brahmarshi eating, nobody eating. So now is sun, like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 2-3 hours sun. And now he is coming. Prasadam for. Krishna said, give me fast. So what I am giving? Today why, I don't know why I am eating is 3 o'clock. I don't know. Never I am eating. Okay? Your pot has anything? Nothing. I am cleaning and turn off. Say no. You are offering time, offering for me Tulasi. That Tulasi for me. This is not for anybody. Okay? You bring a pot. She is brought this pot and looking one corner, the Tulasi is fixed within this pot. Krishna with his nails and crashing and taking, eating and one glass water drinking. And Triptosmi, Triptosmi, Triptosmi. I am satisfied, I am pleased, I am now very happy. At a time, Durvasa gone for bathing for this Ek Chakra, Padmavati Kunda. And Rishi Maharshi, all they are chanting Gayatri, mantra and coming back and eating. Looking, all our stomach. Now, floppy, like until here. And Duryodhana for Yudhishthira Maharaj giving order Bhim, Krishna inviting, calling everybody, they are coming. Bhima within Gada, he is gone. Durvasa is looking Bhim come, calling for. But that time his stomach is like 1,000 kilo weight, one rishis. Now they are running. No bathing, no chanting Gayatri, all running. Otherwise Bhima calling everybody, no taking prasadam, his prasadam will be lost. And Bhima then very angry, he is giving punishment, Rishi Maharshi all running. Nobody is there. So Krishna, himself staying there. And that time giving his boon. Draupadi, these places, anybody came, and your Akshay Patra to taking little bit is one grains. Life to life, they cannot will be hungry and thirsty. No, they are suffering more. And remembering you, remembering your glories, they are also until last of day, they taking Mahaprasadam, living body. No problem coming in life. This life will be very successful. After Nityananda Prabhu, he is gone Tirtha Jatra. That time, he is gone Jagannath temple also. Running fast and meeting with his Baladev Prabhu, Jagannath, all are embracing. People try to control him. 500 people, 1,000 people are attracting him. But he is like elephant calf and lion, jumping and gone and embracing and taking, caring and telling, oh Lord Jagannath, why you are here alone? You go, my birthplace. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, three, he is caring and bringing. Then Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, how? Like baby. No more figure. They are like baby. Come and giving these villagers, all relatives. And after Nityananda Prabhu, gone all holy places, holy dham, and telling this holy dham, anywhere going, meeting with his Madhavendra Puri, sometimes Lakshmipati Tirtha, and meeting with his Mahaprabhu's brother, this Vishwara Prabhu, Bhimanadi, and there is Pandharpur. There, Shankararanya took sannyas, his name, Vishwara Prabhu's, meeting with him, then both are make one body. No more two. Sankarsan, Mahasankarsan, Baladev, Mul Baladev, all are now Nityananda and Vishwarup, both are is equal one body. After that two came and come Vrindavan. Vrindavan, Nityananda Prabhu looking, all places gone, very happy. One places came nearby Mathura, in jail. They are looking one stone, and stone has lot of blood spot. Kansa, his 6 brothers, his killing is there. Then say Kansa living body, but the stone, you are also now present 5,000 years too. Very angry, throwing the stone in Jamuna. But the stone is now not going inside water, floating. Nityananda will come back, walking, the stone is come behind. Ganga, Jamuna to come Ganga to come, this flow it is. Here, Khardaha, Nityananda's palace. There, Nityananda looking back, the stone is came, very angry, taking and throwing it up. They are making 3 pieces. One piece to manifesting one deity called Radha Vallabh, Radha Madhav, one Radha Nandadulal, one Radha Shyamsundar. 3 deities is made. After one piece is small left. Now, here is rules. One day going Gold Mandal Parikrama, then Nityananda 3 deities same day doing Parikrama. Now Radha Nandadula is present nearby Khardaha, Shyamsundar Khardaha, and Radha Madhav, where present is Mahesh Srirampur. 3 deities Parikrama. Now, one piece is less. That piece is Muslims are passing stool, top of sitting and passing stool. One day this stone is telling, hey, I am come from Vrindavan and you are passing stool top of me. Hey, don't do. Muslim telling, who is talking? Who is talking? He is, after next day gone, top of sitting and passing stool. Next day, shaking and throwing inside stool. stock of lot of stool, there is Muslim is gone, nose is down, beard Muslim, no Muslim, beard all is within stool. Now he's suffering. Who talking? Who is throwing me? Next day come, say, hey, don't come here. Then he is calling many people. The stone is talking. Then taking the stone, they are now one university. Inside university, one making temple place and putting that one. Now the stone is growing, 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 and now temple all full. And there is Lord Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu. One side is temple, big ground, playground, and one university. Corner is the stone. Everybody worshipping the stone, going for darshan. Radha, the Shamsundar, very naughty. He is sleeping time going bed and waking coming here, people giving darshan. He is very restless. Morning to evening, now here, after there, after there, after there, after there, complete day he is walking and moving. Morning time, people coming, mainly people worshipping him. After eating finish, giving darshan, he is going for Ganga bathing. After coming, after his eating afternoon prasadam lunch, and going for sleeping another way. Like Khardaha, Nityananda Prabhu's place, Shamsundar. That Nityananda Prabhu, all Holy Dham too. Last moment, Janna Babu's telling, oh, Prabhu, your birthplace is growing. Otherwise, your birthplace not seen, all are going. Nityananda Prabhu say, yes, come with me. Gone, looking Bankim Rai, Bakarai, and all people came, many. That time, Birchandra Prabhu appears. And that time, Nityananda running and gone, Bankim Rai embracing, and there is. He disappears. Meaning here is hiding. And Janna Babusda very disturbed. After Janna Babusda, Nityananda Prabhu did his side, one side Jannava, one side Bursuda. Many Bonkimra, two sides. They are also gone and staying and they are permanently. Now also giving darshan and blissful days Nityananda Prabhu's deities. So now saying that Nityananda Dham, Holy Dham, Ekchakra, Birchandrapur. After Birchandra Prabhu, they are staying long time. And he is also within Bhakta, devotees with his doing Sankirtan and preaching everywhere. Janmamata, long time, she is take care all Mahaprabhu's and Nityananda Prabhu's followers. After Birchandra Prabhu thinking, where I am taking Diksha, who's near, who is qualified in this world? People has like doubt. All over world taking Diksha, Janmamata is near. After Nityananda Prabhu, Mahaprabhu disappears. But Birchandra Prabhu thinking, oh, one lady, my mother, my elder mother, Buddha's son, oh, her near taking Diksha. Lady is near. No, not good. He is gone some places and evening time is come. Coming time, one gate, after one well, and after well crossing, next gate, then garden, next gate, then is his sitting hall, room, after inside his own residence. Before like, many rich people not making like direct room. First gate, after garden, after gate, after well, after gate, then is nice your this visitor meeting room. After next going inside, very far away own house. Nityananda Prabhu come, Birchandra Prabhu, mother is that time bathing, Jannava, taking oil to water. But here is rules, anybody going, this passing for stool and urine, Then they not wearing cloth. Small cloth which is going and bathing and after coming and changing cloth. Other cloth will be dirty and body will be dirty. How can? These rules here. All people following. So now Janamata, small cloth wearing and going bathroom and two hand with his well to taking water. And son is came, young son. Then she is very shy. Now two hand with his cloth is take care and two hand with his well to taking water. Birchandra Prabhu looking, my mother is not is ordinary. She has 4 arms. Oh, and looking, there are many. She has helper and servant. He is surprised. After she bathed and come, then Birchandra Prabhu telling, oh mother, I have doubt for you. Now I understand you are not ordinary any ladies. You are Nityananda Shakti. Then Birchandra Prabhu next day taking mother near Diksha. And he not get married. Yes, no family. After Birchandra Prabhu, no Nityananda Prabhu any